Windows are more than just functional features, they play a crucial role in defining the aesthetic and character of your home. Whether you own a sleek, modern property or a charming, traditional home in Orangeburg, custom window options allow you to tailor every detail to fit your style and functional needs. From boosting curb appeal to enhancing energy efficiency, custom windows can make a significant difference in how your home looks and feels. Here's a guide to the best custom window options for modern and traditional homes in Orangeburg. Custom window options for modern homes. Modern homes are known for their clean lines, minimalist design, and emphasis on natural light. Here are some custom window styles that perfectly complement a contemporary aesthetic. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Large, expansive windows are a hallmark of modern architecture. Floor-to-ceiling designs maximize natural light and blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. These windows are ideal for showcasing scenic views or creating a bright, open atmosphere. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and swing outward, offering a sleek, uncluttered look that aligns with modern minimalism. Their simple design pairs well with clean, geometric lines and provides excellent ventilation. Fixed picture windows. Fixed picture windows are non-operable and designed to frame stunning outdoor views. These windows are perfect for modern homes that prioritize natural light and visual appeal. Pair them with slim frames for an ultra-modern look. Black frames. Customizing your windows with bold black frames adds contrast and drama to modern homes. This trend highlights the window's structure and creates a striking focal point in the overall design. Corner windows. Corner windows are a contemporary feature that wraps around the corner of a home, offering panoramic views and a unique architectural touch. They're excellent for maximizing light and creating a seamless connection with the outdoors. Custom window options for traditional homes. Traditional homes in Orangeburg exude timeless charm and elegance. Custom windows can enhance these classic features while adding modern functionality. Here are the top options for traditional home designs. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a staple of traditional architecture, featuring two operable sashes that slide vertically. They offer a classic look with excellent ventilation and are ideal for maintaining the historical integrity of older homes. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows create a sense of grandeur and add dimension to traditional homes. These windows extend outward, offering additional interior space for seating or decor while adding architectural interest to your home's exterior. Arched windows. Arched windows are a stunning addition to any traditional home, evoking a sense of elegance and old-world charm. Whether installed as standalone features or paired with standard rectangular windows, arched designs make a timeless statement. Decorative grills and mullions. Adding decorative grills or mullions to your windows enhances the character of traditional homes. These features divide the glass into smaller panes, mimicking the look of vintage windows while maintaining modern energy efficiency. Wood frame. For a truly classic look, custom wood frames provide warmth and authenticity that complement traditional homes. Choose from a variety of wood finishes, such as oak or mahogany, to suit your home's style. Custom window features for both modern and traditional homes. Regardless of your home's style, certain custom features can enhance both modern and traditional designs. Energy-efficient glass. Custom windows with energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. These features are especially important for Orangeburg's climate. Custom shapes and sizes. Custom windows allow you to break free from standard dimensions, offering unique shapes like circles, hexagons, or trapezoids. These designs add personality and adapt perfectly to both modern and traditional homes. Noise-reducing technology. For homes located near busy streets or urban areas, custom windows with noise-reducing technology create a quieter, more comfortable environment. UV protection. Windows with UV-blocking coatings protect your furniture, flooring, and decor from sun damage while letting in natural light. This is a must for Orangeburg homeowners who want to preserve their interiors. Smart window technology. Modernize your windows with smart features like remote-controlled blinds or glass that tints at the touch of a button. These innovations are functional and stylish for any home design. Benefits of custom windows. Investing in custom windows offers numerous advantages, including perfect fit. Custom windows are designed to match your home's exact specifications, ensuring a seamless look and proper installation. Personalized style. Tailor your windows to reflect your personal taste, whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern design or the intricate details of traditional architecture. Enhanced energy efficiency. Custom windows can include advanced energy-saving features, reducing your utility costs and environmental impact. Increased home value. Custom windows boost curb appeal and resale value, making them a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. Custom windows are an excellent way to enhance the beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency of both modern and traditional homes in Orangeburg. By selecting styles, materials, and features that align with your home's architecture and your personal preferences, you can create a space that feels truly unique and inviting. Ready to transform your home with custom windows? Contact a trusted local window specialist in Orangeburg today to explore your options and start designing windows that perfectly suit your home. Whether you're looking for modern elegance or traditional charm, custom windows are the key to achieving your vision.